Hello everyone, Leonard Hill Investments here. How you doing today? This is Lucius Hill Jr. Today we're going to talk about investing. Investing in the stock market over the next 7 to 8 months and where we see the market going over the next 7 to 8 months. Today is January the 4th, 2021. And going into January, we see the markets basically selling off a little bit. Um, there was a 400-point drop yesterday, and we see the markets selling off more this month that we're forecasting for it to sell off, and some good names are going to be coming up at good prices to pick up some good stocks. So let's be mindful of that. Some stocks that I think that might be going up, being down over the next 2 months is Nike, which I think is going to hit a price target of, say, I believe it's going to hit a price target of like $100 per share from where it's at right now. Pepsi, I think it's going to reach a price target of roughly like 120, 125, $125 per share. You have Microsoft, which I think is going to reach a price of maybe like around $115 per share. And Netflix, I think is going to reach like around $350 per share over the sell-off. And what else? Apple stock, I think it's going to reach like $75 per share. And those are the ones that we're going to cover today. And it's going to present very good buying opportunities. What I like to do is scale in to the stocks with every 10% decline in the stock. So every time the stock declines 10%, I like to buy a little bit, and then when it declines another 10%, I like to buy a little bit more, decline another 10%, buy a little bit more, and so on. These stocks can prove wise in a market like this. Another stock that I like, I can't forget this stock, Target. Target I like a lot. So picking that up like around, I'm picking it up like around $120 per share. Target. So let's be mindful of that. At London Hill Investments, we still forecasting for gold to be going higher over the next 6 to 7 months. And then we see by like around August time, gold should be headed much higher from where it's at right now, from where it's trading at. We think oil prices might have a chance to go higher this year in 2021. So let's be mindful of that. With increases in inflation ticking up to 2%, and the Fed might be reacting to that news, tightening a little bit, raising interest rates. So let's play some commodity plays like corn and oil and gold to play the higher inflation plays. These are some of the investments that I like for my investment portfolio. In gold, I just picked up a symbol called IAU, which is a gold ETF. And I like corn, CORN, RN, which is an ETF for corn. These ETFs could prove very fruitful for the portfolio as we go into like a long-term perspective. As we go into a long-term perspective, like 5-6 years from now, I think these ETFs are going to be trading much higher. This is London Hill Investments. Signing out. Let's put investing in people first, God second, things and family third.